Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashina here. I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be getting into lashes. So I do wear false lashes. I am still fairly new to lashes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a pro, but I did come up with this little technique that I do to make my lashes look more natural. Now, not natural as meaning it being a natural lash, because obviously these are not my lashes, like it's just obvious. I mean as to get my false lashes as close to my lash line as possible to make it look actually absolutely natural, meaning like if these was mine and they came out my lash, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy. I know a lot of people do have trouble with lashes because I had a hard time with lashes when I first started, so I know the struggle. So that's why I'm making this video today for you guys, so I can make it easier for you guys, because I had to low-key learn the hard way, because I feel like somebody could tell you how to put on lashes, but it's all about your stature, your technique, and how you hold it, and if your one eye is bigger than the other, so it's different for everyone. So I'm here for you. I got you. We besties. Like, that's it. Like, I got you right now. So we about to get into this video. I'm also going to show you guys how I got this makeup look. This is my everyday routine. Not my everyday products, but my everyday routine. Like, but wait, before I tell you guys, before I get into this video, before I give y'all the tea, I'm going to just subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Everything you need will be in the description box. I will also have previous videos in case you want to do a little binge watching. So yeah, okay, now we get to this video. Okay, as I'm back, I laid my edges. Like I said, y'all, I'm not an edge control pro, because this be struggling low-key, just low-key. Hydro Grip primer. Hydro Grip is the best primer you can use in the summertime, and for some reason, like, it just makes my face feel like my foundation is literally going to stick. The e.l.f. Cosmetics V Matte. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Scream Queen foundation from Milani. I do have a review on this foundation. I will link it in the bottom bar, and I will have it pop out on the screen. I've been liking the bright eye lately, so I'm gonna go in with the bright eye first, which is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Deep Caramel. This shit is light, like, sis, this shit is light. So I'm gonna go in with just this much, I swear, just this much under. I think I saw I think Jackie Aina does this, and I saw OMG Lashes do it, and I'm gonna just tap it in that area, like a little, like under my eye. I'm not bringing it out. I'm not bringing it out. Right? Boom. It's like highlighted fake, right? We're gonna just do that in the middle. Right? We're gonna just do that in the middle, The L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage, Full Wear, and I'm gonna just basically tap that. I'm just gonna go under there, right? Oh, sorry, I forgot about everywhere else. Powder. Okay, so my favorite powder at the moment is the e.l.f. Halo. contour. I think contour is my favorite. It's been getting to be my favorite part of makeup. No lie. Okay, you like my song? So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty's Cocoa Note bronzer. Y'all can see I use it. You see how dirty it looks crazy. So I'm gonna just put some little bronze on there, because I like to bronze. I like to look bronzy, contoured. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with the Makeup Forever. I haven't used my Makeup Forever in forever. I've been using my NYX. Let's switch it up. Let's switch it up today. I want to go in with some drugstore highlighters, because I feel like drugstore highlighters do not get enough love and attention sometimes. So we're going to do a oldie but goodie. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome. The Shayla Thomas ColourPop Under Construction. This is her Under Construction collect. Is it Under Construction? No, it's Caution. Proceed with Caution collection. I will link that collection in the bottom bar, because I feel like that collection was Okay, as you guys know, I do always use a liquid liner before putting on my lashes, because I don't want the lash band to be, you know, I don't want it to make it look obvious. Even though they know, people know I'm wearing false lashes, but we don't want to make it look obvious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you right now. So this is what I do when I'm about to put on lashes. I'm about to come closer. So this is what I do. I take Lash. What is this? Mascara. I haven't used mascara in so long, right? So what I do is, being that I have long lashes, it really irks my soul that I can't get it that close to my lash line, because my lashes are so long. So I just came up with this trick. I don't know if anybody else does it. I just basically take this brush, instead of going up, I go out. So when I go out, it causes my lashes, as you guys know, to go out instead of curl up. Okay, so that's what I do. So I'll do that first, but I make sure I don't get none on my lash, I mean on my eyelid, because I want it to be, I want it to look, you know, seamless. So I'm gonna go in with the Lash Kitty booklet, and I'm gonna use, I forgot the name of these, hold on. Oh, these are LK512. I don't know why they don't just have a regular name, but whatever. Super fluttery, super big, super light. It's nothing like some light lashes. So I'm gonna just basically use my duo. Use my duo glue. Okay guys, all right y'all, my lash is finished, right? Finished drying. So basically I just look down in the mirror and I drop it right under the lash line. Boom. So once it's placed, I can lay it. No. I can lay it wherever I want. And being that my Okay, so my lashes are done. I don't know, they give me a hard time today. Like, I don't understand. But I realized I wanted to do some eyeshadow. So I went with the It's My Riri palette. I don't know, I've been really picking up this palette lately. I just want to do one eyeshadow look. Like, I want to just put one eyeshadow on my lid. So I'm using It's My Riri's brush in the, what's number is this? This is the number 6 brush. Is the Elsa lip gloss. I think this is in the shade Bubbles. This is more like a glittery animated lip gloss. I'm gonna give me some more. Give me another one. Y'all been watching my videos for a long time. I love Elf's clear gloss. Like, okay guys, I am back and I'm done with my makeup. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to like, comment in my comment section and let me know what else you would like to see. I do need a push in the creativity section sometimes, because sometimes I get conflicted on what you guys want to see, what you don't want to see, because y'all never want to tell me. So you know what, I don't know. So I love you guys. Don't forget to come back to my channel, of course. If you like this makeup look, please let me know in the comment section. If you do try out this lash routine, I wouldn't say a lash routine, like if you try out this lash technique, please let me know, did it work for you? If not, then tell me what you did, so maybe I can help you. Anyway, so I see you guys in my next video.